Meet Diachromie, a unique tool for demanding filmmakers who expect more than boxing up their looks into LUTs or film emulations. Drop our OFX plugin straight into your favorite grading suite and check out how it breaks down a look identity into a series of fine-tuned parametric tools. Inspired by traditional film behavior and boosted by digital freedom, Diachromie's sharp maths offer sleek, continuous, and robust transformations. Our smart color science and transparent color-managed workflows allow you to focus on what matters most, shaping your vision with confidence across format and delivery specs. Forget restrictive pre-made looks and step into a world of limitless modularity with our stunning adjustable presets. At any time, save your look's parametric values and build up your own library, project after project. Explore our ecosystem, where technical precision teams up with artistic freedom, so you can finally just create. HAL Picture, smart color science, empowering filmmakers.